Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your Cash App password. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, the main thing you'll need to know is that Cash App doesn't actually use a password, but rather a cash pin. So if you want to change your password, you can simply change your cash pin. So here's how you can do it. Open up Cash App application on your mobile device or simply open up a web browser and type in cash.app in the search box. Make sure to log into your Cash App account as well and click on account button at the bottom left-hand menu. Tap on security and privacy from the menu on the next page and then click on change cash pin. Enter your current cash pin that you're using for your Cash App account in the text boxes. Enter the new pin on the next pop-up that you'd like to set for your Cash App account. Confirm your newly created pin by entering it once again, and you will then be able to change your Cash App password or your cash pin. So that's how easily you can change your password for your Cash App account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.